Hey everybody from asThMatic. What you got here is a circuit bent Elmo done by me. He's got a 3-point patch bay going into his chest that you could hook up the bend points into each other, and it turns it into a high-speed glitch on him. Or you can actually use them independently and play them as body contacts, using them by touching each other or using resistance in yourself to complete the circuits. You get a lot more bends that way. One setup between the two, you get a high speed, another one a full-on glitch, and then interacting all three together, you get a whole bunch of different bends. Also, he's got a 1/4-inch jack mounted into his mouth, a switch to turn the glitches on and off for all the bends and everything, and then a potentiometer that interacts with all the bends throughout. The potentiometer is hooked up to 2 different bend points, so turning it all the way to one side goes from like a slow speed all the way to the other one to a high speed, and then in between you get a whole bunch of different bends. I've got them running into a TV with an oscilloscope housed into it, hooked up with an audio input done by Bent Monkey Cage. I had got it from him a couple of years ago. So yeah, just give you a couple ideas of how this guy works and stuff, and definitely wanted to show the TV thing because it's cool. I've had it for a couple of years.
Elmo needs a hug.
So it's without the bends. Hit the switch. And you can see his eyes blink to the rhythm too of how fast he's talking. Use some of the bends.
So much. Yes.
So you can see this guy, he's well bent up, man. Can get a lot of different sounds out of him. He's wired up super good, housed really well. I built in a backing to mount all the bends themselves into. You can easily still get into the batteries into the back of them, so when they need replacing. Definitely stand back. I stand behind the wiring. You'll get plenty of good use out of them. Be able to play with them hard without having to worry about them falling apart. I don't ever put my stuff together chintzy style. Always double check all the wiring and stuff. Make sure everything's housed properly and mounted down well, so that way you can get good wear and tear out of it. Have a good one.